YouTube. It's 7 o'clock Monday night, November the 6th. Just going around and checking the birds out. I was just giving the trays a scrape for the day. So I'll look at them again in the morning when I pop out and have a look, just to see what their poo look like. These are all copbirds, 6 copbirds. I'd normally handle each one, to be fair, but because I've got the iPad I can't. Unless I set it on here, I don't think you can see anything. Can you? What can you see? Not a lot. No. I ain't got a camera with a tripod, it's just the iPad. Right, I normally pick each one up and have a little check over. I always find myself counting the flights on every bird, as you do. Not there, you'll have an accident, won't you? Shut them all up. And saying goodnight to socks. Be as good as it would have got with him. Okay, pick him a thumb. Oh. Store. I've got this automatic dawn till dusk lighting control. I've had it a fair few years now, so it's sort of does all at once. I think it's clogged up with dust, but I've tried taking it apart. And this is the breeding section. Got the birds all getting used to a box. So I've got a few locked away still because they fight so much, but the prints are picking a box, and like tomorrow morning I'll lock them in the box and let the other ones out, so they each get a turn at having a fly around but still take the box. Got 5 prints left. 1, 2, 3, 1 in there, 4 and 5. I haven't cleaned this one out yet today. Let's go next door and see the girls. So this light's now going out, as you can see. I'll switch this one off anyway. Next door. Here's the girls. Just drop this table down. Still full of food. Come on in. Come on. Come on in. Come on in. Come on in. Somebody asked what I look for in a pigeon, and to be honest, you just look for the best flyer, don't you, really? Ones that fly the most. But one thing I do like to see in a pigeon is the tail going to one flight as you hold the bird. That's not the best example, not bad, but this hen, when held properly, the tail flights fold on top of each other, so you're left with what looks like one tail for her. And I like it to sit comfortably in the hand. These prints, I like the prints to have a full wing of duck feathers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12. It's got 13, 14, I think, in that wing. On this side, she's got 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. The 10th one is white, but never mind. And 3 more there. The only downfall is the tail on the prints. I would rather have a dark tail, but this one is more white. But she's got a red. No, she hasn't. This is probably number, yeah, this is number 16. This is actually the mother. Not a very good picture, is it? This is actually the mother to most of the Suffolk Sky Masters, which is why she's still here, because she was rearing the last round when I got rid of a few. That's why I kept her still, because she was the only one that was paired actually to a black. Which is hence she has got the white tail. But if I pick any other ones up, this bird here, again, the majority of the flights are black. Each wing black, and then get that right. Hang on a second. The tail feathers, she's got a full tail feather of all black. So that the picture at the top of the corner of Facebook with the bird in midair with the wings out, that's not a very good example, but I was told in Macclesfield you're supposed to be able to see the semicircle of black and the bird's flying. So with the wings out, you see the black on either side of the wings, and then the tail underneath. Again, this one, the tail feathers, you would probably say I'll push them together there, look, look. One flight. This one hasn't got a full black tail, but when you hold her, she feels really nice. And in fact, she's got the lighting's pretty poor at the minute in here, but these kind of got a sort of a red tinge to them. This is the only one I've got a bit of red tinge on. Again, black flights. She's only got half 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 of the flights. 9 of the primary flights are black, which is what you mainly want, or I want, shall I say, I want. And again, the tail goes to 1 feather. She holds lovely in the hand, really. Right, this is the Sheffield hen. It's only a young bird mine, don't forget. Again, the tail to 1 feather, near enough. Sits in your hand nice, and kind of I find this pigeon to be quite a longer pigeon than mine, but it's obviously a different strain, isn't it? So I believe a tippler should be long and slender with long wings. And again, if you look at the peregrine falcon's wings, when you hold out the tippler wings, that's how the peregrine falcon wings look, isn't it? And they fly. These flights aren't as fat as my prints either, which tell me these probably fly longer. The Sheffield has a long beak though. Pick another one. Oh, it's the same one. Number 16, the print. Little beak. Little black beak. If I quickly show you. Look at them flights. I think they look a bit wider than the Sheffields. Got a blue here. This blue, done a swap with somebody. I can't remember his surname. It was Keith, somebody called Keith. Keith from Telford. I hope them birds are alright. And this is a Gordon Hughes blue. Not much I can say about the Gordon Hughes blue because this is the first one I've ever held, really. But it's got a short beak. Head shape, flat head, more room for the brain at the back. That's just what somebody told me. But if this was a racing pigeon, I know some people would love this because the black, which starts here, black goes all the way to the end. There's no light blue dash along the top there. You look at most race birds, any good race birds will have the black all the way to the end. But the majority of pigeons have a little blue bar across there. And you look at a top race pigeon, all black along the top there to the end. But this ain't a race pigeon, so I might be talking shit. Handle's nice though, this one. Gonna have a round of youngs off this. Right, the tape's getting too long now. Thanks for watching.